With the latest updates from Turnitin and GPTZero, it has been quite difficult to bypass them with good quality output. Today, I will give an in-depth tutorial on Ryne AI's Text Humanizer tool, which bypasses Turnitin and other AI detection tools with ease. Link in description. Select the language you want. Then select the style and type of your content. I have pasted a 1,000 words essay. Now click Humanize button and watch as your essay is instantly humanized in seconds. You can check the AI score on the top right, which is powered by GPTZero. Hovering over any sentence gives you two options: undo and rephrase. If you don't like a sentence, you can rephrase it and it will update the AI score. You can also undo a sentence and it will return the original sentence. Clicking on any of the highlighted words will bring up the synonyms selector, from where you can select other synonyms for the same word. Ryne also offers a feature called AI Report, where you can check AI scores from Turnitin, GPTZero, Ryne AI, and ZeroGPT.